Well, I mean, I think that, when there's love and when there's warmth and respect, there's definitely a spark. And hopefully that spark will never really die. That's what I believe. We both immensely respect each other. And of course, both of us are loyal brand ambassadors to Head and Shoulders. And yes, I think apart from the fact that we respect each other, I think Saif is very, very attracted to the fact that I have long hair. He never allows me to cut it. That is one thing that he's told me ever since the day I'm married, that don't lose your long hair or cut your hair, even whether it's for a film role. So, I mean, I don't think that's something that I would ever do is, probably go bald. I'll lose my brand and my husband. Well, it's definitely a little difficult because of the working conditions and the products that are used constantly in our hair. For different hairstyles or for different, looks that we have to keep doing. But I think the fact that, I keep my scalp hydrated, I try to protect, my hair fall, which does happen. And I think everyone in the room suffers from hair fall because every human being, man or woman, there is a time of year which has, that you constantly try to have that amount of hair fall, excessive hair fall at that particular time. But I think Head and Shoulders has come up with this new shampoo, and I think that's what I keep using 2-3 times a week, and it's really transformed my hair. It keeps it hydrated because of the sun that I think we're all in most of the time. I mean, working conditions outdoors, like I just shot my last film in 50 degrees. Wow. So I was in Goa and in Hyderabad, so at least 2-3 times a week I was trying to, use the Head and Shoulders shampoo, and I think it's worked, for me, as it's there for everyone to see now.